Hello, doctor. How are you? Here I will send you the results of my hair transplant. It's awesome. Thank you very much. Look, very happy with the results. They are magnificent. You're the best, doctor.
Hey guys, I'm Robin, I'm international model, and I have been experiencing hair loss since the last 3-4 years. And in my last trip here in India, I started to research what to do about it. And digging in Instagram, Facebook, and researching in the internet, I found an amazing clinic, Eugenix clinic, that was super good rated. I visited the establishment here, it's all good, and I met Dr. Prativ and Dr. Erika, and they gave me a lot of confidence. For that reason, I started to do my PRP treatment since 3 months ago, and now I'm going to do my first hair transplant, and I will show you some results in a while.
Robin's case was difficult and different because he is into a profession of modeling where he always should look young, and of course the challenge was to keep the hairline appropriate for a very long period of time in his career so that he should not be balding. Hair is very important. So here the hair was thinning. The hairline, if you see, has not gone, but it was started receding. So we thought, let us fix it so that the hairline will be always there, and it will be appropriate for him forever. In this angle, you can see that the frontotemporal angle, they were kind of receding, as well as the thinning was evident here in the angles. So what we did, we fixed the hairline of the frontal angle somehow around here, and of course filled the areas which was thinning. So we digitated inside, and we gave a new fencing on the front as well as frontotemporal angle. So now let's go to the temples. So in the temple, if you see, the temple was also receding. So we also tried to fix the temple so that this gives the proper definition to his face for a very long period of time. After the procedure, then we had to wait for 1.5 years to see the results. Because Robin had shifted to Chile, and after he got his hair, and he was enjoying them, and he sent his pictures. Let's see how the results have come out. After 1.5 years, he has sent these pictures, and of course he's extremely happy. He has also sent one voice message, video message rather, and he says how much happy he is with his new hairline and the way it has come up in the sides, frontotemporal angle and the temples. So he is happy, and we are also extremely happy for him. Thank you.
Hello, doctor. How are you? Here I will send you the results of my hair transplant. It's awesome. Thank you very much. Look, strong roots, everything looks very natural. Look on this side, very strong, a lot of hair. Very happy with the results. They are magnificent. You're the best, doctor. Bye-bye.